Hi friends, today I am going to show you this part in Autodesk Inventor software how to prepare the 3D model. I already opened the software. Just click new, here metric and standard in mm, create, select the sketch, select the plane, select the line, you can see here dimension 100 by 45 mm is there. I will give the dimension, click the dimension 100 45. Top side here to here 60 mm, 30 plus 30 60 mm. So I will give these two lines equal constraint. Okay, I will go vertical constraint. And horizontal constraint. That's it, fully constrained. Finish sketch. Extrude up to 40 mm. Finish. Then center cutout is there here 30 and 25 mm depth. You can select both the surfaces, top or side. So I will select side. Select the rectangle. Give the dimension. "30" from here to here 25. Give the vertical constraint. That's it, fully constrained. Finish sketch. Select the extrude. Give the cut through up. Okay. See, our basic part is ready. We can assign the material also here. Click here, steel. I will give stainless steel, and I will give the finishing also. Steel polished. Okay. Save. Save. Okay friend, this is today's session. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thanks for watching the video.